the text tool. Very important and versatile. For text, there are a lot of things you can do here, from AI writer to add text manually, stickers, automatic captions, text template, auto lyrics, and draw. So this AI writer is just like a script writer that you can use to narrate or tell a story that you are editing. It could just be like Ikenna, for example. Ikenna is a good boy but became tired of his home. Now let's assume this is what I want. Allow CapCut to collect your inputs and generate a script. Yes, it does the analyzing and finding inspiration, does other stuff, and it will read up to 100%. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Ikenna, a boy who is tired of his home. Ikenna is a sweet and kind-hearted boy. So you see, it just generated a script for you. So you can even use text to speech. It could be anything here. Man, what you can do with CapCut is unlimited. Now you can add text here manually. This is where you type in your text. Assuming I want to add the title of this video and say, because yeah, the name of this movie was City of Dreams, the City of Dreams. So I'm going to type it in, the City of Dreams. Yeah. Now I've added this title, but you can see that the title is not designed. So designing this title is another thing. I can just click edit here, and you have a lot of things from fonts, a lot of fonts here. Man, this editor is deep, like it's sophisticated and versatile. From styles, you can decide to choose any styles of your own here, or you can do it manually yourself, adding strokes, the color of the strokes, glow, background. You can see this here. I mean, what you can do here is nothing to compare with some of those miniature editors. This one is like a top-notch. It's a professional editor. All right, I'm not going to go into details of text editing and designing because that one is another video of its own. So we've seen how to add text, and mind you, you can do other things to this text, which I will still come into, like splitting, doing other stuff. Now stickers is just a template that you can use to make your video look more appealing depending on what you want. You can see this like button and so on, but you need to have a pro version to use some of these stickers here. You can see pro on top of it. The next one is auto captions. This one is just perfect. Auto captions is just adding subtitles. Like, let me go to a point where they started speaking English here. Okay, let's start from somewhere here. And then when you want to add auto captions like this, it generates captions from the video. And now we can choose a language if it's English they used, but we can allow it to determine or detect the language that was used in the video. This is how powerful this editor is. You can even use bilingual captions if you want to use dual language. Maybe you want Hindi and English or Chinese and English. Just provided the language is supported here, you can use it. Right, we can generate captions. It takes some time to generate, so depending on how fast your device is. It's almost there. Okay, here we go. You can see the captions have been generated. Observe. Okay, I think the language here is not English, so it detected a wrong language. So let's set it to English and see what happens. All right, remember, you don't click on the video, just click out auto captions. Now change from the text language to English because it was English that was used there to give it more precision. Generating. All right, this is the auto captions they generated. Let's start from here. Okay, somewhere here. Every night. Papa, I'm tired of this house. I'm not listening to me. Papa, I'm not listening to you. I'm leaving this with you. Papa, is enough. See, it's enough. Me going working. So you can see that it failed to transcribe some part of this video. So transcribe technology is just the opposite of text to speech. Now it is speech to text. So because of the difficulty in the fluency of their spoken or accent, so it could be accent sensitive sometimes. And you should also know that for these auto captions, some of the words might not be accurate and you might need to edit them yourself. So you can edit auto captions here, just touch it and then edit. All right. So after that, we talk about text template. Text template is just a way of you adding an already made text, although you might have limited editing and customizing abilities here. So you need internet connection. My internet is actually on, but I don't know why it's not going. Okay, for some reasons the network is not going. I'm just gonna continue from there, but I think it's going anyways, because for me to be able to do some things here, it means the network is actually up. So I'll come back to that later. Now, auto lyrics is for songs. If you know you're editing songs here, you can use auto lyrics here, either from video or audio here. For those of you that you are musicians, this can help you also generate a lyrics and write out the song that you just sang. It could be that you are editing a music that you love hearing, but you want to learn how to sing it. Auto lyrics is okay and is a good choice for you. Then we have the draw button. Here you can draw on your video and make some analysis as you are editing them, depending on what you want to achieve. There are many colors and many settings for you to play around with. Alright, that is that for text. Feel free to take this video back to rewind it so that you can understand it better. And if you have any question for me, leave it in the comments below. Please guys, help this channel get to 1000 subscribers. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Click that bell icon to get all notifications so that whenever we upload content, you will be notified. And also like this video. Your likes and shares are very important, and those likes also improve our algorithms. Please guys, help us reach 1K likes and 1K subscribers. Thanks for dropping by. I will see you some other time.